Hello, this is Luke Jones with Home Rentals LA and welcome to 1312 South Saltair Avenue in West LA, just a block and a half away from Wilshire Blvd and very close to Westwood and Brentwood. I'm going to give you this tour of unit 326. So this is a nice bright light unit, 2 bedroom, 2 bath with tile in the main living area here and fireplace. You can see large floor to ceiling windows and this dining area towards the back of the living area. I'll turn this around here. There's a balcony that looks over South Saltair, and then as you can see there's also a wet bar in the living area. And then let's walk through here. Forgive me, the power is not on in the unit, so it's looking a little dark, but definitely wanted to get this video loaded up. You have a fully equipped kitchen with dishwasher and oven and microwave and a wine fridge and a large refrigerator. And then the unit also comes complete with washer and dryer, which is great. Really cool to have washer dryer in the unit. And then let's walk here towards the rear and let's go and see the master bedroom first. That comes with an ensuite bathroom with dual his and her sink and a shower tub combination, which is great. And then walk back through here into the master bedroom. Again, tons of natural light, floor to ceiling windows, and a large bedroom here. And then let's walk around out of the bedroom here and stop by quickly the large closet in the master. And then towards the rear of the unit, where you have this smaller bedroom, which is obviously used presently as a kid's room, but we can obviously change that mural for any tenant that wants to have the wall painted. That's fine, of course. Again, good natural light in here. Remember, there's no power turned on, so this is actually really good natural light. And then the smaller 3/4 bath that will be shared bathroom. So there you have it. This is 1312 South Saltair Avenue, just a block and a half from Wilshire Blvd in the heart of West LA. Very close to Brentwood, very close to Westwood, close to everything you need. Terrific unit. Pricing, call us on 310-776-5743, 310-776-5743. You can find us at homerentalsla.com or on social media at homerentalsla. Stay well, stay healthy, and where you can, stay home. Thanks so much. Have a great day.